Hey guys, I'm Part of Motor Guy. Now when it comes to slow speed maneuvers, we all strive for tighter turns. In this video, I'm gonna give you one key that you may be missing for tighter turns. So hang tight. The key I'm gonna talk about today is lean. Now most riders have a hard time when it comes to leaning the motorcycle. But if you can start to add some lean, you will get tighter turns. Now, believe it or not, the type of motorcycle you ride could be hindering you when it comes to making tight turns. I'm going to do two demos to illustrate this. Now, the U-turn box I'm going to use is 18 feet wide. I'm going to use my Harley Road King first, and then I'll do the demo using my Kawasaki Concours. First, I'm going to turn the handlebars to full lock, but keep the motorcycle straight up and down as I'm walking the motorcycle. Then I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to add some lean. So let's check it out. All right, so first, I'm out here with the Harley. The first demo, I'm gonna walk with the bike straight up and down, turn the handlebar to full lock, and see how tight it makes the turn with the bike straight up and down. Somehow one of my sons helped me with this demo, so let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna walk it. So I'm gonna get as close to this outside cone as I can. Here we're gonna turn it, lock the handlebars, keep it straight up and down, and we're gonna walk it. Pretty close to straight up and down. And then I'm gonna mark where the tire is. So you can see the Road King has a real good turn radius with the handlebars turned. I'm inside 18 feet with the bike straight up and down. All right, go ahead and mark that. Yep, mark that cone. All right, we can put a mark there. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go back in, and this time we're gonna lean the motorcycle and see if it's any tighter. All right, so on this demo here, we're gonna walk the back in again, using all my space, turn the handlebars, but this time I'm gonna add a little bit of lean to it and see how much tighter the turn is. So again, I'm gonna get as close to this wall as I can, make this video as accurate as I can, turn it, and we're gonna lean a little bit, now we're gonna walk it. Now, as you can see, with a little bit of lean, I'm about a foot and a half shorter with a little bit of lean. Now, of course, if I was riding this, I would lean even more, which would tighten this turn up even more. But even with a little bit of lean, you see how much difference it is in my turn. So now I'm gonna go get the Kawasaki and do the same demo. As you saw, when I added lean to the motorcycle, the turn was tighter. Now, depending on what type of motorcycle you ride, the travel of the handlebars could be different. Now, my Concours has less handlebar turn compared to the Road King. Now, I'm going to do the same demo as before, but this time I'm going to use my Concours. All right, so now I've got my Kawasaki here. I'm going to do the same demo, keep the bike straight up and down, turn the handlebar to full lock, and see if I can make it inside this 18-foot U-turn. Again, get as far over as I can. From here, I'm going to turn and lock it. Cool, keep it straight up. Keep on going a little bit. So you see I'm already outside this cone. All right, you can probably see that. I'm outside this cone. I'm well outside the cone. I don't know, probably about 3 feet outside the cone. All right, so now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna lean it and see how it comes out. All right, now for the second demo, get far over as far as I can, lock the handlebars, full lock. This time I'm gonna add some lean to it and see where it comes out at. Right, I'm gonna turn and lock it, and we're gonna lean a little bit. You can see, even with a little bit of lean, I'm still outside this 18-foot turn. So now I'm gonna go back in again and lean a little bit more and see if we can get it inside of here. All right, so here we go. Gonna lean a little bit more this time if we can. Stop it here, lean it a little bit more. So we got a pretty good lean going on right here. Lean it some more. Look at that. Look how much more I have to lean this bike to get it even closer inside the 18-foot turn. So see, depending on what bike you ride, how much handlebar turn you have will dictate how much you have to lean the bike to get it inside 18 feet. As you saw with the Concours, I had to add a lot more lean to the motorcycle in order to make that 18-foot turn. So if you're having trouble making tighter turns, the only thing you could be missing is adding some lean when you're making your turns. Now, until next time, you got it. Practice, 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 and ride safe.